frequently asked question. What about seismic loads? Can it handle seismic loads? J-edge anchor system can handle seismic loads, and here are some of the reasons why it is able to handle those types of loads. First, it's not required for seismic categories A and B for facades that are associated with an importance factor of 1. And so those seismic categories, we don't have to go through calculations that are required. So that throws a lot of the seismic areas outside of the question. Number 2, on category C, there's actual indications in the code that we can actually use friction calculations associated with loads that are in the plane to use to justify that. And there's some potential additional engineering work that needs to be done on a job-by-job basis associated with seismic categories D through F. We've consulted with some experts in the field of seismic design associated with steel, and they have basically indicated that we should be able to use slip-critical steel connections associated with this design. This is very much different than the channel embed anchors that are associated with concrete design. The channel embed anchors that are associated with concrete design typically have very thin parts that are malleable, made of mild steel, and so they have to go through a rigorous part and a process, and they don't qualify for slip critical connections. In this case, we have a very high quality, strong structural extrusion, and so this steel surface here is combined with the steel of the clip angles, and so a slip critical type of connection is a possibility for design requiring calculations associated with it. And also that would require special inspections associated with the attachment of this edge anchor system and facade connections.